big turtle. Hey guys, welcome to Sunanta Diary Channel. Today I am at Sea Turtle Conservation Center, Royal Thai Navy in Sattahip district. So I visit here because I want to see some turtles. I will share you the turtle, how to take care of the turtle and protect the turtle, or mission of the conservation. I'm gonna take you to watch inside the aquariums. This aquarium decorated by the blue colors. That's my favorite colors. I really like blue colors. And look at the inside. We can see many fish in this aquarium. This is the first time to visit here and have never seen this aquarium. So there are a lot of fish. This is the cartoon fish, just small size, and they are so cute. I really like cartoon fish because they look cute. This is the topic, what the issue that affect to the environment, and yeah, so the big are effective to the environment. So the stones, and so be careful with the stones and the fires and the wave of the sea. So this story for learn about the environment, that we should be careful of it. Oh, this is the topic for the some of tree. That's the name of this tree is called Mahat. Is believed to protect or take care, can be skin care for white skin. Wow, this is the fish. In the Thai name we call Pa Kao. Right? Oh, he look handsome. 1, 2, 3 fish. Oh. Mangrove. Let's talk about mangrove forest that should be protected to keep the environment, because it's related to the sea animal, to the aquatic animal. What is this talk about the mangrove forest? Yeah, should be protect wild animal and aquatic animal. This is this area we can share the idea, and add the idea in this board. If you have an idea to share about how to protect or keep the environment, you can share it and check it on the board. Follow me. And now we go outside and in the outside of the museum there are lots of turtles in the pond, in like a farm, and I will take you to go to visit the turtles. Let's go. big turtle. Now I'm standing on the pond. This pond is very big, like a swimming pool. So this area for the big size of turtles. We can watch the turtles very close to. So there are many turtles in the pond. I really like to watch this. Those are very cute because when they are swimming, yes, like people swimming in the swimming pool. And I asked for feeding the turtle, but the staff not allow traveler to feed them. That for keep clean, because if we observe carefully, we can see the water in the ponds very bright, very clear and very clean. So I respect for the notification because cleaning is very important for animal. We choose keep clean, and there are not only the big ponds for the big size, and another pond I will take you to another pond to watch the baby turtles. Now I'm walking on the trail and I'm gonna go to see the baby turtles. When I walk along the trails, I can see the beach because this area is very close to the sea, and those are separate ponds for baby turtles. And there is the shop for shopping. You can buy something from this shop. Those are many cute, many lovely gifts for, and the price is very affordable, not too expensive. If you want to help the turtles, you can buy something for donation, because many tourists make the gift for sale for the traveler who visit here to buy some gift and give to someone. I think it's very valuable gift. Now I'm gonna go to see the baby turtles. That area, I think they separate the pond for the baby turtles depend on of age, because this area the traveler can come here for free. You do not pay for the entrance fee. This tourist attraction is very affordable because not only the turtles, and we can admire the nature because this goes to the beach, go to the sea. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy, and see you next time. Bye.